She got a body like a nail bus, but I can give it to you all the time. She got a booty.
It's me, and I'm just in a room right now. Okay, so I wanted to open it. I was so eager. So here it is. My silly squishy package. This is pretty big, but kind of small, but oh my god, okay. I'm excited. It has the things on the back. So let's open this. I am so excited. Well, this is gonna be hard. I don't wanna rip anything. Oh my god. Oh my god. First peek. Snowy the polar bear! Oh my god! Okay, so at first I got Snowy the polar bear. Oh my god. I can't really smell it, but let's squish it. Look at this. That is crazy. Squishy, guys. Oh my god. Okay, so first I got that. These are all eye balloons. Oh my god. Oh my god. The packaging, ew. Packaging is all wrinkly. Like mangled. Kind of upset about that, but this is huge. Millie the whale. Oh my gosh. Squish. Oh, it's a little dense. That is so squishy. Oh my god, okay. Next, I got my bread doll. My iBloom bread doll. This is way smaller than I thought it was gonna be. Oh my god, I got sugar. Let's squish it. It's still going. It's it. Oh my god. Yes. Okay, last thing. This is tiny. There might be an extra in there, but I'm just gonna wait. This is really small. Oh, it's so pretty. This is my biggest squishy. It's like the size of my head. I got, oh, this is like butter. This is so soft. I could kind of smell like it smells like peanut butter, but oh my god. That is so detailed. Guys, that is crazy squishy. It's still going. Still. Guys, this is like the softest thing ever. Oh my gosh. Oh yay, I got an extra. I got the gummies again! Yay! So I got the Hello Kitty gummies as an extra. Here it is. These look really good. I tried them last time and they're so good. So yeah. Yay. Guys. Oh my god. This is my favorite out of the whole package. This thing, I thought it was gonna be like that much bigger, but it's really tiny. But this is like my biggest squishy in my collection. It's like butter. It's so soft and so squishy. I'm keeping that one in package. Wow. I really want to open those sugar bread doll because I want to see how it smells, and it is so squishy. I really want to take it out. Okay. I don't want it to get stiff. So we got this silver ball chain there. Let's take my beautiful squishy out. It doesn't smell like anything. It's small. It's almost the size of my hand, but it's small. Oh my god, it's so soft. Guys, oh, that's so squishy. It doesn't smell like anything. It literally smells like butter. Oh, wow. Easy. Nice. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I really want to take out Snowy, so let's go. Wow. Oh, it's so sticky, the packaging. I kind of don't want it. Well, let's just do this. Oh, this smells like the peach. Wow, look at Snowy. Where's the licensing? Whoa, that's a huge license. Wow. Smells like grape. So squishy. That's crazy squishy. I'm putting that one back in packaging. I'm putting all of these back in packaging after. Millie, the whale. Let's just open it. Oh, the taste wrap. So here's the beautiful squishy. It is huge compared to my face. Look at that size. I don't want to. And it has a heart on the belly and a heart on the tail. Let's squish this unicorn thingy. I'm pretty sure this is a narwhal. But let's squish. I'm being really delicate on these. Oh, let's squish this. Oh, there's an air bubble, but look at that. That is crazy squishy. Guys, this is so big. This is like huge. It smells like a juice that I used to drink. And I hated that juice. Now, well, I hate that juice now. Wow, I'm putting all of these back in packaging. Wow, wow. Beautiful. I'm not bragging about anything, but I swear, just like I said in the other video in the description, I'm not bragging. I didn't pay this. I got this as one of my Christmas presents. One of my aunt got this for me. I didn't buy this, so it was so generous of her to buy them for me, and like, oh, it's so generous. And oh, wow, these are the four squishies that I really wanted. But guess what? I just got another surprise for them. This is like Christmas. They gave me another season 4 Shopkins. I have none of these. They found it at Toys R Us, where I live. This is like Christmas. This is almost the best day ever. This is the best day because I got season 4 Shopkins, and squishy. Okay, let's open this. I don't want to wreck the package. This is the cutest thing ever. Even though I have the others. Everybody's gonna be jelly at my school, because my friend Oreo PB, she does not. She has 2 season 4 Shopkins. Not 2, sorry. Not 2. She has like a lot. She has like, I don't even know. Oh my god, this is so hard to open. She got 2 2-packs from a store, and she forgets where she got it because she got it on her phone. I'm excited. So I don't know any of these names, but yeah, I know that one, Crispy Lettuce and Jules, and that's all I know. Wow. Oh, and I know this one, Cinnabon or something. I just want to open up this. I just really want to open up this. All right, let's do this. I have another case. Oh, I always forget there's elastic bands before you can actually open it. So what did I get? Yay! I don't have these two. So I have a petkin, which is a dog, and it's like a piece of jam or something. Like a jam jar. And then we have the dog bowl, the doggy bowl, in pink. And this is ultra rare. And this is special edition. Guys! Oh my god, you don't even know how happy. I'm not even bragging. I am not bragging whatsoever. I know it might sound like it, but I'm just so excited right now. I never knew this was gonna happen. So that's why I'm like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So yeah, that doesn't mean that I'm bragging. Bragging is like, oh my god, I got these and you don't, haha. That's bragging, but I'm not saying that. Look at this one, it's so sparkly. And then this one. Guys, this is crazy and I'm really happy. I'm so happy. So this is the list. And I think this is Milk Bud right there. I'm thinking, because it kind of looks like it, so I'm just guessing. This is amazing, guys. Like, I'm about to cry right now. If I got a duplicate, I would give it to you guys or one of my friends. This is crazy. I'm freaking out. And I already have 2 lists, and it's better 2 than 1, so I'm just gonna keep that list, and this is really cute. But I'm gonna throw that out. I have another case, which is pretty good. Oh, it's kind of broken. Like, oh my god. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. Really hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.
The sun's not coming, instead of all the sun.